It's been a little while since I did a video, so apologies for that. I've had a very busy week, and today I want to talk to you about what is next for Katie Kookaburra. What is next for me? Because loads of people have been asking me saying, why are you doing all these long rides? Why are you putting yourself through it? Why are you doing like 300, 400k rides? Well, the reason that I'm doing 300, 400k rides is because that's what I like to do. Some people like racing, some people like time trialing, some people like, I don't know, doing mountain biking. I just personally really like and enjoy, most of the time, I enjoy Audaxes and longer rides. And some people have also been asking me about whether I want to do a 600, whether I'm riding all these long rides to qualify for Brest, which is next year. And the very simple answer to that is, I guess it's not that simple, is I guess kind of. So if you don't know what Brest is, it is the ultimate Audax. It is, you ride from Paris to Brest to Paris, and it's around 1200k, and you have 90 hours to do it. So you have, I think it's 3.75 days to do it. I think that's how it works out. So it's a long way, and it's only held every 4 years. It's like London, Edinburgh, London, that's every 4 years, and that was last year. And 2019 is Brest, Paris. But to actually qualify to do Brest, you have to, in that year, so for next year, you have to ride a whole Super Randonneur series, which is a 200, 300, 400 and 600k ride, to basically qualify to prove that you can do it. But also to even be able to apply the year before, so this year, you have to have done either a 200, 300, 400 or 600 ride or a 1000k to even be able to enter. So I guess I had it in my sights, and I was like, oh my god, I would love to be able to do that. I would absolutely love it, because it is the ultimate ride. For me it is anyway. And I was like, why don't I just see if I can do it? Why don't I just see if I can do the 2, 3, 4 and 600? Like, you might as well give it a go, Kate. You might as well just have a bit of a pop at it. So that's what I've been doing, and it's almost given me like that extra bit of motivation, because I think if that's kind of what I'm aiming towards. And also the kind of reason that I'm not doing it because I'm like, yes, I definitely want to do it, like that is what I'm doing. It was almost to see how I got on with doing longer rides and multi-day rides and riding through the night. So it's almost like a bit of a test for me to see, you know, can I do 400, can I do 600k? And I guess we don't know. I've done the 400, and the 600 I do have one booked. It is on the 16th of June. It's from, it's near Vale basically. And the reason I'm doing that, because that is the closest I'm probably ever going to get to an Audax from my house. And you basically, it's called Tuco, so you basically go out, so that's like in the middle, say that's like Vale. You go out, round, back. It's like a big figure of 8, I guess, and you go back to the middle. So I can take my own food, leave that in the car, and it's almost like the safety net of it being close that is giving me like an extra push to do this one, because I don't know, I just feel like it, because it is closer to home. I mean, it's still 600k regardless of where it is, but I just feel like because it is closer, I feel a little bit safer. And not even safer, I guess if I just need to bail at any point, I don't have to then get a massive long train journey home or drive like 5 hours. So I'm going to give it a whirl. I'm going to try 600, and Steve Abraham actually said, I'll link it below actually, he did a blog post about the 400 and just gave me a couple of pointers in there on how I can improve. And the main thing he said was, you need to up your sleep before. And even though I'd been like, yeah, I will, I'd not taken it like that seriously, and I'd been working a lot, I'd been doing YouTube, like Instagram, like trying to build all that kind of with a full-time job, and it's just worn me out a little bit. And also riding, so I did the Fred Whitten, I did the 400, so I've done quite a lot, quite back to back, and then there was Mallorca, so I've done quite a lot of volume around it. So I think I just need to sleep it up more next time beforehand, because what Steve was saying is, if you're in sleep debt, then it's going to make any ride really hard. And like when I watched the video back, he's right, because even 8k in, I'm like, oh, I feel really tired. you shouldn't be feeling really tired 80k into a ride when you're doing 400. So I'm definitely going to take that advice and sleep more, and I guess we will see how I get on with the 600. Yeah, I think it's not actually 300 and 300 over the 2 days. I think you set off at 6 a.m. on the Saturday and you have to be back by 10 p.m. on the Sunday. So you have like 2 days to do it, but the first leg of it is 385k back to the start, and then you do the rest of it the second day loop. So the second part of it is shorter. So I'll do more video actually of how I'm going to kind of prepare for the 600 if you are interested, because it seems like you are interested in that kind of stuff. So I will do a video on that, and I think that is pretty much it for the update. Also, one last thing, tomorrow, today is Saturday, I'm going to do the struggle in the Dales. I'm going to leave a link to it below. I've had like a busy 3 weekends, to be honest. I've done the Fred Whitten 400k and now I'm doing the struggle. It is 175k, almost 3,000 meters elevation, and it goes up some absolute beasts of climbs, which I absolutely love. It's going up Park Rash, and if you know Park Rash, it was on the Tour of Yorkshire this year, and God, it is steep. It is, so it's not steep as Hard Knot, but it is steep. So that is what I'm doing tomorrow. So there'll be a video up, obviously, showing you all the route, because it looks an absolutely incredible route. If you've never ridden in the Dales, oh my gosh, the Dales is so good if the weather's nice, and absolutely miserable if it's raining, because it's just its own climate up there. So very excited about that, and I guess I'm gonna end the video there. But thank you again for all your lovely comments and support over the 400. And let's see how I get on with the 600 and potentially Paris-Brest Paris. If you're doing Paris-Brest Paris, or even that same 600 that I'm doing, let me know in the comments. Come and say hello, and yeah, we'll get through it together. We'll get through it. But yeah, I'm very excited, and that's kind of that's what pushes me with this cycling. Like I said, some people it's time trials. For me, it's just endurance. I just absolutely love pushing myself endurance-wise. So I will see you next video. Bye!